Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Drive API and creating OAuth credentials. This gives your app permission to access Drive. Once done, download the client JSON and keep it secure because it authenticates requests. Next, install the official Google client library for your environment so you can call the API without low-level HTTP work. Make sure to choose a service account for server-server automation or OAuth for user-scoped uploads. That decision determines subsequent token handling. Now implement the authentication flow so the app can obtain and renew access. If you chose a service account, generate a key and impersonate a user when needed. If you chose OAuth, perform the one-time consent and persist the refresh token. Once you have tokens, code an automatic refresh routine to request a new access token before expiry. Also, make sure your token storage is encrypted and restricted. This prevents unauthorized uploads and keeps your automation reliable. Finally, build the upload logic and the automation trigger. Use resumable uploads for big files and set metadata like parent folder and MIME type so Drive organizes files correctly. Then schedule the process with cron, cloud scheduler, or file system triggers. Ensure the scheduler runs the authenticated routine that refreshes tokens if needed. If something fails, log detailed errors and back off retries. A key troubleshooting tip: check permission scopes and token expiration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.